very good afternoon, everyone. I'm Shweta Singh, your chemistry teacher, and I warmly welcome you all to Q&I. Am I audible? Okay, great. So, in the last session, we were discussing about the balancing of chemical reaction, right? We were discussing about the balancing chemical reaction. So, we are going to continue that only. And as we know that this is very important about the balancing chemical equation. So, we will just go through some examples here. So, before we start this session, you should know about the hit and trial method. Any doubt we discussed in the last session, hit and trial method, right? So balancing weightage is 1 to 2 marks. And we also discussed the other method, that was the algebraic method. So in this session, we will do a few examples of balancing chemical equation, and we will also talk about quantitative information, what we get from the balanced chemical equation. What are the information we will get from the balanced chemical equation? And if the time allows, we will move on to the different types of chemical reaction. Very important thing. Okay, so let's start balancing. And we also did the algebraic method. I told you about this. Okay, so here are few examples for you. But before that, quantitative information from balanced chemical equation. First thing what we come to know, that is the physical states of reactants and products. Because in a balanced chemical equation, we actually mention the states. Right, so from looking at the balanced chemical equation, we will come to know about the physical states of reactants and products. Second, symbols and formulae of all reactants and products we get to know from a balanced chemical equation. And third, number of molecules of reactants and products. So in a reaction, how many molecules of reactants and products are involved? That information also we get from the balanced chemical equation. Have you written on these three things? Have you written this point, Jovin? Devi? Done already? Okay, great. Fine, then let's move ahead with these questions then. The first question, hydrogen and chlorine reacts to give you hydrogen chloride. How to, can you give me the balanced equation? What shall I write? So for hydrogen, what should be the symbol? What should be symbol for hydrogen? Please speak, you unmute yourself. It will be faster for us. It takes time to write, you know.
Ma'am, is it H?
It's H2 because we are talking about the molecules. So it's H2. Okay, so it's H2 plus
Cl.
it's not Cl but Cl2, right? Cl2, because chlorine exists in form, it is diatomic actually, gives hydrogen chloride. What shall I write? HCl. Devi, you can unmute yourself. Otherwise, if you write no, it will take time. So definitely it's not a balanced equation. So what shall I add in this equation?
A 2 before the HCl.
Exactly. So it's 2 HCl. H2 plus Cl2 gives you 2 HCl. Okay. So one thing more, we should also mention the states. Barium chloride plus aluminium sulfate gives barium sulfate and aluminium chloride. So first of all, what is the formula of barium chloride? Anyone? What is the formula of barium chloride? Barium has valency 2, chloride has valency 1. So 2, 1. What do you think? What should be the formula?
Cl2.
Exactly, it's BaCl2 plus aluminium sulfate. What should be the formula? What is the valency of aluminium?
3.
3. Sulfate? Tell me, what should be the formula now?
Al2SO4 in brackets and then 3.
Al2SO4 whole thrice. So this is what I was talking about. To solve the questions of this chapter, you should know the formula. So you need to revise the table which is given in class in 9th atoms and molecules. Okay, so now barium sulfate. Can you tell the formula now? Barium sulfate.
BaSO4.
Exactly. Barium plus 2, sulfate minus 2. So it will become BaSO4. Fine. Aluminium chloride. Aluminium chloride.
AlCl3.
Yes, AlCl3. So now coming to the states now, right? So barium chloride, aluminium sulfate, these all are salts. So they won't be reacting in solid state. I need to make this solution. So I'm going to add aqueous in front of them. Right, even AlCl3 aqueous, but barium sulfate gives white precipitate, right? So I will add solid, or I can show downside arrow also. Okay. Yes. Now coming to the third one, sodium plus water gives sodium hydroxide and hydrogen. So now tell, oh, okay, this is balanced. Is it balanced? The second equation? Is second equation balanced?
It's
If not,
not balanced.
yeah, yes, not balanced. Okay. So what, how shall I balance it? Yeah, tell me, how shall I balance it? Okay, guys, wait for a second. There's some issue with the system. Is it okay? Am I audible to you? Am I
Yes,
audible
ma'am.
to you? Okay.
Yes.
Give me 1 minute. You please solve it. Till then, I'll just see what's the problem here. Okay, so okay, guys, there's some issue with the system now. Yeah, so you won't be able to see me right now, but I hope you can hear me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so we need to carry on class like this only. Fine. So what is that? We have 3Cl here, right? Yeah. So we have 3Cl here and here we have only 2. So I should multiply it with 3 and here I should multiply it with 2. Then it will become 6 chlorine on both the sides, right? Then here barium, we have 3 barium this side, only 1 barium. So I'll add 3 barium that side. Okay. Okay. Then just give me a second, students. We need to rectify the issue here. Okay, so we got 3Ba, 3BSO4 this side, and then Al2, one is 2 aluminium this side, 2 aluminium that side. Sulfate here we have 3 sulfate, and this side also we have 3. So this is the balanced equation. Very good. Next one, sodium plus water giving me sodium hydroxide and hydrogen. What should be the reaction? What should be the reaction? Can you tell?
Ma'am, is it Na plus H2O gives NaOH plus H2?
Yeah, exactly, exactly. Your reaction is correct. It's Na plus H2O giving me NaOH plus H2. But is it balanced equation? Find out. Mhm. Smart board. Okay. So we need to take whole class like this now, guys.
No, ma'am, it's not balanced.
It's not balanced. So how shall I do it? How shall I balance it? Devi, you can speak, no? Why are you wasting time? Already some problem there is in system. What shall be the balanced equation from the for the third one? Are you balancing? Are you trying?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yeah.
Is it 2Na
Okay,
plus
so you are telling
2H
me 2Na.
and 2H2O
Hmm.
for 2NaOH?
Is it now balanced? So we got 4 hydrogen this side, 4 hydrogen that side. Okay. 2 oxygen here, 2 oxygen also here. Yes, it is balanced now. So what should be the state of sodium now? I should mention the state also, no? What should be the state of sodium? Solid. It's a metal. So it is in solid state. H2O?
Liquid.
H2O?
Liquid.
Yes. Okay. NaOH?
Aqueous.
Aqueous, because sodium hydroxide will dissolve in water. So it's aqueous. Plus hydrogen?
Gas.
Gas. Okay, we are done with this. Now coming to the second question, write a balanced chemical equation with state symbols for the following. Solutions of barium chloride and sodium sulfate in water react to give insoluble barium sulfate and solution of sodium chloride. Don't you think this is the same thing as the second one? Look at it. Solutions of barium chloride and sodium sulfate. Isn't it the same thing? It's the same reaction, okay? Next one, sodium hydroxide solution reacts with a hydrochloric acid solution to produce sodium chloride solution and water. Can you make this equation? Can you make the equation here?
NaOH plus HCl gives NaCl plus H2O.
Oh, so you are telling me
The unbalanced version.
NaOH. What should be the state? What should be the state?
Aqueous.
Aqueous. Plus reacts with hydrochloric acid solution. So what shall I write? Teheen and Alan, you
HCl.
people can also give the answer. Why are you people silent? Yes. HCl?
Also aqueous.
Also aqueous. Okay. Giving sodium chloride solution in water.
NaCl liquid plus H2O.
No,
liquid.
NaCl won't be liquid but aqueous. Plus H2O will be liquid. Am I clear? Any doubt? Tehin, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this was your assignment actually. So we tried these questions here. The problem here is now like one of the system is not working where more PPTs are kept. So we'll try to do it without PPT, okay? So anyway, so we did so far balancing chemical equation and we did we saw what are the quantitative informations we get from the balanced chemical equation. So now in the next part, we will be discussing about the types of reaction. Okay, as I said, I wanted to show you the PPT, the activity actually, but the system is not working. Fine. So we'll definitely do it because if I start working with the system, it will take time. Or if you allow me 2 minutes, I can try once. What do you say? Shall I try once?
Yes, ma'am, you can try.
Okay, so just give me 2 minutes, 2 minutes, okay? So I got it. Thank you for your patience. Yes, so we are discussing the chemical reaction, types of chemical reaction in this session now. We did the examples of balancing. Fine. So for the prerequisite, we should know about the chemical formula. And as I just saw that you are not as